Friends, good afternoon and welcome to the Wednesday Token Metrics Ethereum conference call. It's our favorite day of the week these days, and today we're looking at Ethereum, and we're going to do something a little bit different. We're going to use a chart to tell a story, all right? And then at the end, we'll come to a conclusion. All right, so let's begin over here on the left, okay? And we're going to draw an arrow, all right? We're going to start by pointing where the 2018 crash started, okay? That level, as you can see, is around 212, all right? And then Ethereum, this doesn't look like much, but it crashed to 81, okay? Crashed to 81, 2 digits, all right? Then Ethereum rallies all the way up to 315. Again, this is a weekly chart, so we're trying to look at the bigger picture. Okay. And then when Ethereum comes back down, okay, it hangs out right here, okay, near this fib resistance structure, the fib speed line rather, okay? Just like up here, it made an attempt to get through it and failed, all right? Now we're back here and it's a whole different story. Right? Ethereum has hit this zone where all this volume has traded. That's what these yellow and blue lines are all about, right? Over here, okay? This represents where most of the trading volume has been in Ethereum since the November 2018 crash. It's a volume indicator on TradingView. It's a subjective tool, but in this case, we love it, and here's why. So you come down, this looks like the absolute end of the world right here when Ethereum was crashing, right? But what happens? The volume zone, that block where everybody has been hauling Ethereum in between 106 and 170 held up. And now you can see Ethereum bouncing today to 190, all right? So you might be asking yourself, gee, exactly how good does this look? Well, I think pretty good because, it's bouncing right off this fib speed line, right? Ethereum rejected it up here and it's bouncing off of it down here. So that's a thumbs up. All right, now, what's the bigger picture? Folks, we have stocks at all-time highs, real estate at all-time highs, venture capital valuations, all-time highs, okay? We got all these risk assets out there that are sky high, yet Ethereum, which is both a currency, okay, and a technology engine for creating securities, currencies, tokens, all types of things, is not only not at all-time highs, it's trading 40% below its 2019 high. Let me say that again clearly. Ethereum is trading 40% below its 2019 high. This powerful cryptocurrency engine. Are you kidding? Right? So you might say, can I pay 190 for Ethereum? Should I be afraid that it's up 5% today? I was like, my answer would be no. Right? Ethereum can go a lot higher, like a lot higher. Like we think, 315 is conservative. Maybe 350, okay? And long-term, way beyond that. So the narrative that this chart tells us is that if you go all the way back to this disastrous crash and all the way to the future, all the way to the present today, Ethereum is acting in a way where everyone who bought it, all the smart money is winning. And you want to be on the same side as the smart money when you're doing trading and investing. So we say, stick with Ethereum and you'll wind up a happy person. Thanks for tuning in with us. Thanks for liking us on Token Metrics on YouTube and on Twitter. And we'll see you next week.